Welcome to our Homologa tutorials where we explore tips and tricks from Homologa, the global crop protection database. Today we will be discussing languages in Homologa, in this case at the interface level. When it comes to the languages in Homologa, we have two different levels. We have the interface level and the data level. In this video we will talk about the interface languages, how to interact with the tool in different languages. Nowadays we have 5 fully developed languages in the Homologa interface. You can change any time within these 5 languages. We have English, Spanish, French, German and Italian. I will change my view, so we can go to the tool itself. You can see that this is the main interface. You have to go to the upper right corner, where you can see your username. If you click on that username, I will get into my account where you can see my username, my email, first name, last name, and then down below you can see the default language. In my case, I have selected English, but if I want to change this to, let's say, French, I can go to this part of the interface where it is letting me select in this drop-down menu, the language that I would like to have in my session. Let us go ahead and change it to French. If I go and click Save, everything in my interface, as you can see, changes into French, including the name of the modules. When we run the reports, the results, the name of the columns are going to be available in French, and when it comes to your interaction with the interface, will be translated into that language. If I want to go ahead and change it to any other language, or go back to English, I can go again to my name in the top right corner. I go to change my settings, I can change it back to English and save the choice. That way I will be able to see everything in English again. As you can see, it is a really easy to use feature. You are going to have all the results, all the data that you need translated according to your language's choice. As I said in the beginning, do not forget to check the second video related to languages on data level in Homologa. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips and tricks for using Homologa helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.